Today I will show you how to turn on professional mode on your Facebook account. This is pretty simple, so let's start. First of all, update your Facebook app from your Play Store or App Store. Then open your Facebook app. Here is the home page here, and then go to your profile. Here you can see your profile. Then click to the three dot menu here beside edit profile. Click on that, and here you can see an option in the bottom that is turn on professional mode. Here is the desired option. Then click on that, and you can see the criteria of that which will be given for you. First of all is you can monetize your videos and you can earn from them, and then let more people follow you. Then this is basically Facebook will more give impression on your account. This is what. And then you can see the content insights, which means you can see the impression of the post, impression of the everything, and you can see how much people reach this post, all everything. So hope this helps. And then click on the turn on. Yes, welcome to professional mode. And then click to the done, and basically default this will set to digital creator, and click to the done option, and here you can see the professional mode type Facebook account here. This is not basically a Facebook account, this is a Facebook page. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting and informative videos.